In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in your Hubspot content. This process is straightforward and will take just about 5 minutes of your time. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add those important images or files to better engage your audience with your marketing emails. First things first, we need to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open up your web browser and type in the Hubspot URL, or if you have it bookmarked, that's even better. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on the Login button. Usually this is located on the top right corner of the homepage. After clicking it, proceed to satisfy the login requirements by entering your credentials. You should now be in your Hubspot account. Next, navigate to your Hubspot home by accessing your dashboard. From here, our journey continues as we proceed towards the Marketing tab. Take your time and scan your dashboard to easily locate this tab, which is a vital part of your HubSpot interface, providing access to various features. After clicking on Marketing, switch your attention to the Email option. With a click, you'll be redirected to your email management section. This area allows you to create, edit, and manage all your marketing emails. Now select an email that you either want to create or edit, and let's continue on this path. In your chosen email draft, look for the edit button. It should be available for you to make changes to your email content. Click it and you are now in the editing interface where creativity comes into play. Here you're able to add various elements to enhance your email. Now let's gear our focus on adding an image. Look for the image button in the tools or elements that you can insert. Clicking on this will give you options related to image insertion. You'll then want to click on Select Image. This opens up a library of images that are already available in your HubSpot account. However, we're focusing on adding a new image, so the next step is crucial. Your task now is to locate the Upload button. This button is your gateway to adding new media files from your computer. Click it, and a file selection window should pop up. From here, browse through your files and select the one you intend to upload. Once selected, follow through by clicking open and then wait for the upload to complete. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file to your HubSpot account for use in your content. This method allows for easy inclusion of files into your marketing materials, enhancing their impact and appeal. Following these steps ensures that your email campaigns are visually engaging, keeping your audience entertained and informed. Stay tuned for more informative content and have a productive day creating with HubSpot.